Alright, y'all. Out here at the shop. Just pulled up. Late night, as y'all can see. So this is a late night update. About to go in. Think we're gonna get the motor cleaned up tonight. No, you can't see me. Don't worry about the line. So we're gonna go in here and I'm gonna film some of this. Cause a lot of people been asking me what's the update on the truck and all of that. So we're here at Joe Buddy Racing, and we're gonna see what's going on. All right, y'all. We about to get the motor cleaned up. I know people are asking me, am I gonna take the machine shop and all of that? Answer is no. If you missed some of the updates, like I said, we're trying to get this done for under 5,000. So whatever happened, it happened. We're just gonna send it. So we about to get it cleaned up. We're gonna clean it with brake part cleaner and all of that. And like I said, I went over the Valley. The Valley looked pretty good. Bought it as a running motor. So yeah, gonna take the oil pan off, all of this stuff. Gonna take the bearings and stuff. So we'll get it cleaned up. And I don't know what else. We're gonna see what else after that. We're gonna check back in. Yeah, we just clean, spraying everything, cleaning it up. I know a lot of y'all were asking, y'all want to see this process. And I'm gonna film what I can. I know I'm not gonna be down here every time, but I'm gonna catch what I can for y'all. So I told y'all I'm trying to show y'all as much as I can during the whole series and building everything. A lot of people wonder. I don't think everybody saw the episode, all the episodes. I think I done filmed like 12 or 13. But Joe Buddy Racing doing all the work. This is my uncle. So if you've been a fan of the channel for any amount of years, then you know he pretty much built all my stuff. He built everything I ever had. So getting it all cleaned up. If the budget was higher, y'all would have went to the machine shop and all of that. And he even asked me too when I first got it. He's like, I want to go to the machine shop. Like, nah, whatever happened, happened. And to reiterate to people, like I said, I ain't got no goal number on to run or none of that. It just showed the beginners to be able to start a hot rod for under 5,000 to give myself a chance. So. And I got the number. I'm gonna put the number at the bottom of the screen. Joe Buddy Racing, man. Y'all give him a call. So I know somebody asked in a previous comment, does he work on just other cars? He work on everything. It's not. I know y'all see a lot of hot rods in here all the time, but like it's hot rods in here now. You know, so. But
about 2 feet of pea gravel all the way around it. So you ain't got to worry about no weed or nothing. Just spray the pea gravel with weeds on. Okay, then you don't know, man. How much they cost us?
y'all he getting that. We still working on getting the motor cleaned up, all of that good stuff.
Yeah.
Actually coming clean, man. Coming clean pretty good. They're working it a little at a time, little by little. I know it's probably a boring update, but I be getting a lot of questions every time I go out to the tracks and all of that on what's the update on the truck. I see the comments, so I'm filming so y'all can see what's going on. I get a whole lot of questions. I know y'all ready to see the truck filed. Me too. We working on it, trying to get it done, and still getting it cleaned up. Then next thing be painted. I say I'm gonna try to catch whatever I can. I'm gonna try to catch what I can for y'all. I know I'm not gonna probably catch every step due to our schedules, because if he had to wait on me every time to film, then there's more time, because I be running around. So I'm gonna try to catch as much as this process as I can for y'all. At least give y'all an update every other week, if not weekly. So we're gonna keep working on this right here. Getting it clean, and we're gonna check back in. Alright, for people that don't know what he's doing, basically cleaning the surface real good, removing all the old gasket, dirt, anything else that might be right there, because you want a smooth contact area when you put your new gasket on. So that's what he's doing.
Hey, I'm probably wrong for it. If you're trying this at home, get you a pair of these. I just been doing it so long I forget to put them on. But I promise you ain't got one set of them, so get you a pair.
It's right, it's true, y'all. Safety glasses. It's true. Look at it. Big difference. Big difference from what it was. So, definitely.
Everybody's seen it, right?
Yeah. Yep. I see. Big difference. But normally if it was an engine getting built here and stuff, you take it to the machine shop, go in the vat, all of that, block will come back fresh and everything. But this is a series for the beginners. So He just turning the motor over. I'm just telling all the little details, cause I know it might be some people watching that don't know this, y'all. So I know it's a lot of us that already know. A lot of motorheads out there. There's some engine builders that watch. You know, feel free to explain yourself in the comments too what's going on. Although I know, you know, we might have other people that don't know, so it's people that read the comments. That's the whole purpose of this build for the beginner. So trust me, I done had hot rods before. Definitely faster than this. What this gonna do, but it's about having fun in the end. It's about having fun and about showing the guys that just getting started in drag racing. You can do it for cheap sometimes. If you have to, you can. So.
In the cylinder, so if you look at it, you can see where the cylinder got a top layer of something on it. We're gonna try to get that out.
Yeah, see.
Yeah, we're gonna try to cut the cylinder off, so we're gonna use real fine sandpaper.
I'm trying to film as much of this as possible, y'all. I know it's probably boring to some of y'all, but interesting to others. But the people that don't know, I just want to film as much of it as possible to show, like, it is time consuming, and you know, so you see what go into this behind closed door, cause a lot of people usually not around when the engines get built. Some people never seen the engine get built, so and normally
this is first, when I first started, I didn't have money, so I would buy a used engine and do this and put it, you know, to put in my car so I could drive around. So I didn't have money to take it apart, take the machine shop, spend all the machine shop money. But of course, it wasn't never the fastest car I had. So you do it all the way, take it apart, completely redo it. So when you're building motors, when you're building engines that you're gonna use nitrous, turbos, blowers, and all that, you gotta have some ring gap in there. If not, when the engine start performing, the rings will get hot and they'll touch together. Once they get hot, they'll scar the cylinder, crack the cylinder, bust the piston. That's half of what how people lose when they just try to put notches and stuff on the engine. But like I said, it's a long road from this to actually really rebuilding one.
Yep. Yeah,
But y'all gonna be surprised we're gonna make this thing run. You seen it from the start, we're gonna make this engine run. Like another tip for people who buying engines from people, I'll show you something. I'll show you a trick people do. They tell you it's rebuilt, but actually they doing this. You know how smooth the paint is on this block? Where I clean it real good. You see where I didn't clean the oil pan? People, when they try to sell your motor engine, they'll be on paint it over the dirt. And you can just scrape the dirt off, paint and all. So you gotta remember, you gotta watch that kind of stuff.
It's true, man. True.
I mean, we've been got a bunch of times learning by doing, what I call it.
Yep. The people that don't know, hope y'all listening to everything, taking it in, soaking it up. Like I said, this not the only way he doing, but this is a special project. So, it all depends on the person's budget. He worked with you too. Come here and build a real high performance engine, or you can go the budget route. It's all in what you want too. So. Alright, y'all, so that's it for tonight. I hope y'all enjoyed the update. Stay tuned, man. The video gonna keep coming and all of that. It probably gonna look pretty different next time y'all see it in the next update. So make sure to like the video. I appreciate it. If you do, it help the video out. I hope everybody enjoying the series. And we out. Catch y'all next time.